everybody, today, if you've probably already seen, I'm back in Left 4 Dead, and basically, I realized, I never finished the game, so, I kind of want to come back and go ahead and do that, because I just realized I kind of left you guys on a cliffhanger, and please don't mind that voice crack that I just had, that was nothing. Anyways, let us go ahead and do this, and today we are doing the sacrifice, cause this is the, I believe, 6th one in the series, if I am correct. I'm not 100% sure though. So, yeah. Basically, and, well, now that I think about it, I shouldn't say it, cause that kind of spoils it, so that's like, no, that's not smart. One second, I'm looking at something real quick. I kind of forgot how I made these videos. Sorry for the silence. Okay. So, we're going to... Okay, sorry about that. So this video is going to have docks and Barge, and then we'll have a video on the port. Now, if I get through docks and Barge pretty quick, I'm just going to do the whole entire campaign in this video. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and get playing. I know I've been holding you guys up. I was actually just made a video but I realized I had mods on. I had the Left 4 Dead 1 survivors as infected.
Why'd we stop?
We're on a track.
What? We're not even gonna try driving it on the ground?
I want to do this again because I realized
A black powder bomb.
So we but yeah, though. So let's.
Over there!
Feed the flames! Woohoo! Explosions!
Have to find a boat on the other side of this bridge. See that?
I just got ripped off that picture. I did it! 1 second then. I just ran into that hole. Bop, bop, bop.
Weapons here!
Reloading!
Doesn't work.
Jackie!
Reloading!
Pipe bomb over here!
Reloading!
Oh yeah, probably this one. Idiot. So that doesn't move. So let's just do this.
Heads up! Ammo here!
Reloading! Reloading!
Why would it not taking it? Okay, let's keep going. Fight the tank.
Doors opening up.
It is not so bad.
Hey!
Gee.
Watch out! Reloading!
Watch out!
Charger! Can't believe this car held that thing.
Quit fidgeting and let me heal you.
Hey, he has no brain. He's stupid.
That's one I owe you.
You're welcome.
Where do we go?
Great!
Reloading!
Fire in the hole! Pass the brakes!
Reloading! Reloading!
Got him! Reloading! Auto shotty.
Reloading!
Look out!
Reloading.
Reloading!
There's a smoker around here.
Now I look there with this smoke and see if they're attempting to strangle me.
Weapons here! Safe house! Double time it into the safe room, people.
Lock the door, man.
Outstanding.
Done. That took 10 minutes. I can't believe that. This guy was long, it felt like. How did Francis do more damage to tanks than me? I was sitting there spraying them. Francis is the MVP. And sorry I haven't uploaded in quite a while though. My cousin actually has a new channel called The Infection. He's posting like Left 4 Dead and Resident Evil 2 videos. I will actually, I will leave a code right here, so 1 second. Okay, code just came in. You will be able to see, I marked in his channel, and I'll also put it in the end screen. But anyways, let's go back to that.
Watch out!
Reloading!
Probably go wait to open the door, don't I?
Weapons here! God damn it! How do you stop going? Charger! Watch out! Boomer!
Reloading!
Smoker right around here someplace. Reloading!
Reloading!
Boomer! Let me patch you up.
That wasn't necessary. Smoker! Oh. No! Oh.
I'm here. Don't worry. 1 second. I'll get you back on your feet.
Thanks
Hold
for
on,
that.
let me patch you up.
Cover me.
Totally welcome.
Oh my god. Thank you, Zoe. Almost got killed at 17 times. I thought I got past it.
Across the ship.
I hear you.
Reloading! Pills here! Heads up! Double time! Up the hill! God damn it! Crows! Look out! Some help!
I ain't gonna carry you, Bill. Get the hell up!
Fire in the hole!
You can cover me.
I messed up. Hunter! God damn it, I am seriously foobar! Hold up, that witch is getting ready to pounce. He's not looking good for me.
You'll be all right. Just let me fix this up, okay? All right.
Thanks.
Good as
I owe you
new.
one. This is some real bullshit right here. Hey man, that's not cool.
I don't feel so good.
All of us.
There's a safe place up ahead.
Yay! Perfect timing.
Get your
Watch my
asses
back.
in here!
Okay, let's see. 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and end this, and I'm going to make a video. On
Can you lock that door?
Get ready. I will see you.
Tremendous.
See y'all there. Woohoo! Please like and subscribe, by the way. I'm almost at 50 subscribers actually, so that would be a great milestone to hit if you guys can help me hit it. And thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.